Welcome back, everybody. If you caught the first episode, we talked about setting weight loss goals, and that's a fantastic start. In this episode, we'll delve deeper. We're going to cover some of the common factors that can lead to weight gain. I am a board-certified OBGYN with a special interest in obesity, and I helped a lot of patients lose weight. I'll share the tips and the tricks that I usually give my patients when they come to me feeling stuck after trying lots of things and failing. Before we start talking about why you might have gained weight, let's talk about why figuring this out is a big deal. What's causing your weight gain might be different from someone else's, so the way to fix it is different. What worked for someone else may not work for you. When you understand what's causing your weight gain, you are in a better position to do something about it. Now, this is a good time to chat about eating habits. It's easy to fall into the routines of mindless snacking, frequent fast food runs, and eating because the clock says it's mealtime. In the coming episodes, we'll explore how these habits contribute to weight gain and offer tips to establish a healthier routine. Eating while you are watching your favorite show is another factor that can lead to weight gain. It's very easy to lose track of how much you've eaten if you are engaged with a show or a movie. We'll discuss why this habit can be problematic and offer suggestions to break it. This is a common culprit when it comes to weight gain. Those sneaky midnight snacks and extra calories can add up very quickly. Cravings after midnight can be a real issue for some people, as it was for me. We'll explore why late night munching can be a problem and offer strategies to curb them. And of course, it's impossible to talk about obesity without including physical activity. And I don't mean going to the gym every day. Physical activity or lack of it plays a significant role in weight gain. In the future, we'll discuss simple ways to incorporate more movement into your day. Have you ever wondered why you're gaining weight despite eating what seems to be a healthy diet? Hidden calories might be the culprit. We will reveal where the hidden calories are, how these factors can sneak up on you, and provide strategies to stay in control. Not all weight gain is due to lifestyle choices. Some medical and hormonal factors can make it challenging to maintain a healthy weight. It is important that you have your doctor rule out medical conditions such as thyroid disorders and polycystic ovarian syndrome. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at why you might be gaining weight. Understanding these issues is the first step towards maintaining a positive change in your life. We'd love to hear from you. Share with us in the comment section what you think might be the reason behind your weight gain. It might be a reason that I haven't mentioned before. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the valuable tips and guidance we have in store for your weight loss journey. Your input and commitment to your health matter, so let's do this together. See you in the next episode.
Subscribe, bye-bye.
Don't forget to check out my book, The Obesity Solution. It's available on Amazon and the link is provided below. It has a lot of tips on weight loss, low-calorie recipes, weekly meal plans, and much more.